Hey YouTube, wow, sorry about the pixelation on my camera. It's probably because of the indoor lighting, but today's gonna be another how-to video about how to get any ringtone for any phone that you want for free. No credit card, no money, nothing. It's for free, and I'm gonna show you how it's done. And it is really simple. But what I'm gonna warn you about is that you need to have a data plan for your phone. Because if you don't, this is going to cost you big time. So, as you can see, I'm going to go to the web. Sorry about this. Let me turn on my brightness real quick. Alright, display. Alright, go to web. As you can see, it's right here. Go to web. Sorry for the brightness. It's Google. Google has just a plain background. Oh no, man, it's MySpace. Hold on. Alright, up here you're gonna type in. I'm gonna type it in first, and then then you can look at it and type it in. Pause the video when you see this though. myxer.com. Now, it should pop up on the screen right here, like right here somewhere. I'll have like a little annotation. Then, it should, I don't know. I don't get 3G around here, so it might be pretty crappy. As you can see, it pops up with the screen, mixer.com. And what you do is, you take your phone and you scroll all the way to the bottom. Then, let me zoom in. Right here, first one is ringtones. I'm gonna let the screen dim so that you can see it. As you can see, it gives you all this stuff for free: ringtones, wallpapers, videos, games, local events. Just crazy what they give you. Now I'm going to ringtones. See, my 3G is horrible. I'm pissed. I'm gonna call up Sprint. I'm gonna be like, hey, Sprint. Fuck you. That's what I'm gonna say. I'm gonna say that. Now, as you can see, right up here, it gives you 3 categories: featured, popular, categories. Why am I? Now, right here, it gives you the featured, which I don't like these songs. You can click on popular to see which ones are most downloaded. You can click on categories to see they got hip hop, R&B, rap, rock, classic, whatever you want. And up here you can search. Let it die or let it dim. Right here, up in the search bar, you can search that for any one you want. So I'm a real fan of Untamed Gorilla by Gorillaz. That's a really good song. Untamed Gorilla. Alright, then you click done. You go over and click search. Sorry if this is taking forever, but my phone just has the shittiest connection ever. Like, I'm disappointed. Like, right now, I'm very disappointed. Alright, now as you can see, perfect. First one pops up, Untamed Gorilla. All you're going to do is you're going to click on it. And it'll give you two options, download and send to a friend. You're going to click download, of course, because you want the song, not your friend. Then, as you can see, it says overwrite or cancel. I already downloaded this, so that's why it says overwrite. But it would say save, so I'm going to click it, and then it'll download. See, look how slow it's freaking going. This is embarrassing. Oh my god. Are you serious right now, Sprint? Word to everybody, don't go with Sprint. They suck. I only have Sprint because that's what my parents got in. They didn't make a good choice. Alright, well, I'm not going to wait for that. So, oh my god. I think my phone froze. Alright, well, I'm going to go back to my home. And once you download it, it should be in settings under, well, mine's under ringers because that's how my phone's set up. Go to ringers. And then, sorry if it's so bright, but, I'll play a song that I downloaded before. I'll play Cold by Coldplay. And this is really... And then here is Untamed Gorilla. I downloaded before. Right there, as you can see, Untamed Gorilla. That's the one I'm playing. Now, up here was Cold. So let's just go back to that. Now, these aren't those little crappy ringtones that are going to give you like 4 seconds of a song. These give you the full song. Well, some do, but like it is long enough because you're not going to listen to a 3-minute song before you answer the phone because that's ridiculous. That's what I'm saying. So just I'll have a little link in the sidebar to the website. But do this on your mobile phone, because doing it through the internet or through the computer is stupid. And if don't forget to subscribe, rate this video 5 stars. Yeah, that's all I got. Alright, see you later, YouTube.